We get leaks of the Google Pixel 3 and they bring some disappointing news. If you've got an iPhone 10 camera lens cracking out of the blue, you're not alone, and benchmarks keep emerging of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with impressive specs for lucky regions. I'm Jaime Rivera, and the only funny part about Mondays is none of it. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals if you are in the market for the Samsung Galaxy S line or whatever Galaxy you're looking at. Best Buy has some of these variants for up to $300 off. These are carrier variants, AT&T and whatever others. Thing about it is you have to get installment plans. There is a catch and you can learn more about it in the description. Other interesting news come from trusted sources and Apple, where we hear two projects in the works, Project Star and N84. And if this doesn't ring a bell, we hear two things that are probably happening. One of them being that apparently there are more iOS devices coming, meaning more variants. Apparently there's this tablet hybrid, which could follow on the news that we've heard that, Apple is going to merge macOS with iOS at some point. And then the second rumor has to do with that OLED display on every iPhone. Apparently that is going to be the case. Probably they found better pricing. We'll see. Now let's move the spotlight over to Samsung as we hear that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is bringing some interesting changes. Benchmarks show that we're going to get the 6 gigabytes of RAM, Exynos 9810 that we already see. Pretty much a Galaxy S9 Plus to a certain degree. But the cool part is that apparently certain regions are getting an 8 gigabyte variant that sports 512 gigs of storage. That is going to be interesting. I wonder why on just certain regions. I hope it's not just going to be in Korea, but time will tell. Now let's talk about the iPhone 10 as we hear that certain issues are happening to consumers where, you drop your phone and out of the blue, boom, the camera lens breaks. And that's actually not something that's just happening to you if that's been your case. Apparently there are some cases out there. Problem is that Apple hasn't really provided any official information. And repairs pretty much will cost you the whole back of the iPhone, meaning $550 if you don't have Apple Care, $99 if you do. That's a lot of money, so buyers beware, because apparently the cases have even been happening to people with cases. Yeah, the cases have been happening to people with cases. That sounded weird, but yeah. And finally, for the terrifying news today, oh man, Google Pixel 3, Google Pixel 3 XL, we've got leaks that claim that apparently there is a reason why there is not support on Android P.
No, God! No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Apparently, these phones are going to bring a notch. And it has a reason. Not necessarily facial recognition. Apparently, there are two cameras. What the purpose of that selfie two-camera module is going to be is hard to tell, as portrait selfies are currently great as they are on Pixels. It doesn't really make any sense, but in today's question, let us know. How do you feel about Google now adopting the whole notch mentality? I mean, in my case, I feel, sad, underwhelmed, because I know that there are better ways to design a phone than this, but this is just my opinion. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know yours. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch last week's on Friday, Pocketnow Daily up here. You can also find our thoughts on the camera of the OnePlus 6 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.